I am Professor Dr. Dharmesh H.S, practicing orthodontics for more than a decade now. I am practicing at Geeta Dental Clinic, Basavangudi, Bangalore. Retainers maintenance. Today I will tell you about how to maintain your retainers. Wear the retainers through the day and night and remove only while eating and brushing or as instructed by your orthodontist. Remove the retainer while brushing, brush the teeth, clean the retainer and wear it. Remove the retainer while eating. When retainer has to be removed, store it in the specially designed containers. Never keep the appliance in your pocket or bag. Never allow the retainers to dry. Do not chew anything while wearing the retainer. The retainers can be cleaned using a mild soap, but use only the normal water. Don't use any hot or cold water. If the retainer is broken, remove it and report to clinic immediately. Keep your regular appointments as advised by your orthodontist. For more information, you can log into my website www.alignersbraces.com, or you can contact me on my phone number 9900008081. Thank you.